right, everybody, this is Matthew with 706 Outdoorsman. Spent the last little while walking through the woods to get to this little urban creek that runs under the local interstate. Y'all check it out. That's kind of what we're going to be fishing. So I've got a lot of little artificial lures and we're just going to see what we can catch. Don't know how it's going to go. So come along, let's see what happens. All right, onward. OB, don't get in there. No, boy. No, you gotta stay out of the water. Hopefully the audio gets better the further away I get from that spilling away drainage thing. Stay here, bubs. Oh, I just had a bite. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, he's trying. Oh, there's a bunch of them in there trying. Opie, come here. All right, had 2 bites there. Didn't quite see what was after it, but they missed. Opie, come here, bubs. You can't get in there. Opie, come on. Get out of that water, boy. Get out of that water, boy. All right, let's get a little closer. It's gonna be hard getting under that branch. I'll take it. Man, I wish I knew what that was that struck at it. That's promising. All right, all right, all right. We blew that out. We'll try that spot again in a little while. All right, well, cool. Did have a bite. Don't know what it was. I have an inline spinner, which probably will do better with the hookup ratio. Well, let's just see. Oh yeah. Got one, got one, got one. What we got? Look at that. On the micro crankbait. Woo! Yes. Tell you what, they bumped it 3 or 4 times before I finally got one to stick. There's that, another bluegill? Gosh, that guy is pretty. Look at the colors. All right. We're gonna see what this little spinner guy does. It's bigger than that other bait, so it might just spook them. Oh no, I got some chasers. Oh, but I'm gonna have to do better than that. I think I'll get hit. I think this will work. I think this will work. We just got to keep it off the bottom and out of the trees, of course, but mostly off the bottom. There's one. There's one. All right, Opie, get out of the water. There's one. Hey, is that a bass? That is a little bass. Look at that. Even had a little drag peeling. Come on off there, bub. Man, the hook does not want to come out. There we go. All right, check that out. That's number 2. Little ultralight artificial creek fishing. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna have to swim. Oh my God, I got it back. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. I thought I was gonna have to go, well, not swimming, but walking at the very least. See if there's another one in that deep hole. The trick to this is keeping it off the ground. It's not working very well. Opie, get out of the water, bubs. All right, one more cast from here, then we're moving down. All right, cool. All right, we're coming up on, it looks like a pretty good little hole. Just trying to ease up to it without letting Opie run through it. He's liking to running through my fishing holes. So now you gotta be on the leash, bub. Anyhow, let's see if we can get another one out of here. Hey, sit. Sit. Good boy, you stay. You stay. Oh, had a hit. Another hit. They won't take it. They're trying. There he is. Ah, what kind of hook job is that? All right. There's definitely something bigger hitting at it down yonder. This seems to do better if I go really slow. Hold on, oops. Let me check it out first, and I promise you can go. There's one. There's one. Opie, stay. Don't get in the water, bubs. Don't get in the water, bubs. Yes. Little fish. Little fish. I knew you guys would eventually get those hooks. Come on out of there, you. You thoroughly got that one. All right, bub. Good luck with that. Obie, you're a good boy. Don't run in the water, okay? I don't want to hook you in the face. Well, that little fish is right off the end of that log. Pretty much where he should have been. Oh. I had something. Oh, got one. Got one. Got one. Oh, ah. Well. Oh. There you go. Get out there. He tried to come back up on the bank. Aw. Got one. Got one. Yeah, they're kind of stacked up over there by that log. Here's a better look. They got some really cool colors. Come on out of there. There we go. Look at that guy. Why you guys always do that? Put them in the water and they swim back to me. Obie. Hold on, bud. Oh. That deer crossing right there. Can you see the tracks beat in? Anyway. This is kind of public property. I mean, it is public property, but can't hunt it. Hey, got one right here in the hole. In the little hole right in front of us. Thanks, Bob. I knew that cast was worth it. Come on. I was complaining about the hookup ratio, but now I'm getting them. I think it was a user error thing. Out. Come on out of there, you. Here we go. Oh, back into the water. Snake, go, big jump, big jump. Another big jump, bub. Oh, 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 easy, easy. Easy, easy, don't pull me. Don't pull me off, please. All right, stay, stay. Stay there. All right, I'm gonna try the rattle trap in the big hole. for this one. Let's see what happens here. Fish or no fish? Oh, there's a bass over there. There's a bass over there. Can I sight fish this bass? Answer to that question is no, I cannot. Cannot sight fish the bass. Oh, that cast's really good. There he is. Got one. Way on out there. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, that's a different kind of fish. Just a regular bluegill? I don't know. Not very good at my sunfish identification. Oh, got one. Oh, got one. That's a good one. Oh, I got the bass. Oh yeah, I got the bass. Stay on there. Well, look at that. You escaped the sight fish and I got you anyways. Oh, you just wanted to kill it. You didn't even want to eat it. You just wanted to kill it. Well, look at you for being greedy. Look at you for being greedy. Not even in the mouth. Come on now. Come off there. There we go. All right, that's bass number 2. Thanks for playing, bub. Oh, I can see him. I can see him chasing it. Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Ain't gonna do it. Oh, it might be another bass. Ain't gonna do it. He chickened out. All right, that was fun. Let's keep trying. This side looks like it's cooled off. Let's try it again. There he is. That is a better one. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, little feisty guy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me get the hook out of you right quick. I'll just leave the hook in you for now. Look at the colors on that thing. Holy smokes. Well, truth be told, that was probably the most fun I've had in a long time. That was a blast. Caught a bunch of little fish, multi-species kind of day. A couple little bass, some brim. Be honest with you, I don't know what all I call it. Little bluegills, I guess, sunfish. I'm not sure. Maybe comment and let me know. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Try to put 1 or 2 videos out a week. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.